welcome back. And if this is your first time seeing my face, a special hello and welcome to you. Now, today I am like super excited, like really. Look, I know you see it. Yes, I got a Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette randomly in the mail. Check it. I almost passed out. To be honest, I don't really know what it looks like. Like I've kind of seen it online, but I truly forgot what the colors look like, but I'm sure they are amazing. So we're gonna do an unboxing and a swatch, and then we're gonna jump into a tutorial. So I'm excited, I can't wait. I was gonna do a tutorial today anyway, but now I got something to work with. I got some real content, right? So let's bust this bad boy open. It's just so pretty. Like I really don't even want to like mess it up. So let me make sure I'm doing this right, okay? Okay, there we go. There we go. Whew, this is in here tight. It's in here real tight. Dang, Jackie. Gotta shake it out. Shake it out. It's out the box, and this is what it looks like. That's really pretty. I love this packaging. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh, that's so cute. I love this. This is POC friendly. This is what I like to see. You got gold, you got champagne, you got your browns and your purples, and you got this little silver color there. This is okay, Jackie girl. Okay, let's do a little swatch. Colors like this, I'm really interested to see how that swatches, because I feel like they're always like most of the time really chalky and like dry. So if this goes on smoothly, I will be highly impressed. You probably can't. Y'all can't see that. I'm actually not gonna swatch this whole palette, but let me tell y'all that these colors are really smooth. That's what I will say. They're I can tell they're all really smooth colors. And it comes with a mirror. It comes with its own brush, kind of like a flat end, and then a fluffier crease brush. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use the brush to apply the colors. Let's go ahead and jump into a look. So it's hard. It's so hard. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to do here, so we're going to be doing this as we go. But first, I'm going to take a little bit of my primer. This is MAC's Paint Pot and Laying Low. And alright, so we're going to take the fluffy end of that brush, and I'm going into Supreme, and I'm putting it in the crease. Okay. Ooh, that's pink. That's pink. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with Big Wig in your outer V. I'm taking this on the outer V and into the crease. Alright, and to soften this area up some, I'm gonna go in with ginger. It's a little orange, but it's okay. Alright, next I'm gonna take I think this was a NYX or NYX jumbo pencil in purple, and I depotted it and put that right in the center. At first I was gonna use Shookington. Decided I want to do Sponsored, which is like this like greenish blue, and then put that on top. Ho ho ho. I like that. I like it a lot. I'm gonna put on a little bit of Zam. A little Zam on top of that green, or that turquoise, or whatever that color is, and putting it on top. So I'm just touching back up with Big Wig to intensify it again. And I'm actually gonna take that same color and pop it underneath the eye as well. Enough liner action. Let's get some lashes on. Really just had lashes. Okay, here they are. Let's do a little eyelash talk, because this is where y'all be kind of like messing up at. You put the glue on the band. You let the glue dry for like 15 seconds before you put it on, right? I know a lot of y'all put it on there and then you try to stick it on your eye, and then it like slides around and gets all weird, and then you wonder why your lashes be effed up. That's why. So we're gonna let this sit, and then we're going to pop it on. Now that's how you stick on an eyelash. Ooh, oh la la. So next up, I'm gonna apply my concealer, and this one's gonna be in the Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer by Mock, and I put this underneath here, and blend it in, blend it in to the skin. To give me a little bit more of a highlight, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in, what is this? And Tan Sand. I did that better this time. Last time it's still a little trash. It's a little trash. We'll fix it. Just highlighting. Now I'm going to take a little bit of, I had a sample of this Becca foundation from Sephora, and I'm going to use that because I kind of liked it. but it's a little thicky thick. Oh. Alright, word of advice, make sure your hair is clipped back. Just put that, just hide that, we'll deal with that later. This is a little scary, but we finna fix it. No worries, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Sometimes, like when I do my makeup, I'll like scare myself. I'll look at it and be like, whoa, what is going on? And then it like ends up coming together. So it look crazy right now. I know. But it will work itself out. I'll blend all this in. I haven't blended this part in, and that is because I'm gonna put my contour color there. Taking my cream foundation, and this is by Black Opal, and I'm about to buff it in. Oh, that's way too much. So we're gonna have to do major blending in here. Major blending. Actually gonna take a little bit more of my foundation and like cover that, because that look crazy. Soften that back up. Yeah. That's what we had to do. We had to soften that bad boy back up. I barely want to contour my cheeks. So I'm just gonna like do it mainly in my temples and bring it in just a little bit, like a little bit, like a real little bit. So I really don't want to contour this too much. Like very softly, like soft like so. Soft like so. These brows need to be tamed. For sure, you couldn't have thought that I forgot about these suckers. Hell. Now, I don't want these like super dark. My brows are really bushy and they have a tendency to get like really dark really fast. And I don't want that. That bad. I can't do eyeshadow or like anything else in the webcam, but somehow I'm able to do my brows. Go figure, right? So this is okay. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl lip liner in chestnut. And a little bit of rouge. This is Dress to Thrill. Oh, like a piece of it that broke off. Oh, it's right there. I don't know about that, y'all. I don't know about that. It's not terrible. I just don't think it's me. I might leave it. So I'm not doing any blush. I just wanted to do a lip and eye real quick, right fast. I really like this palette. The colors go on really smooth and they're vibrant. And I think this is actually my first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I believe. I think it is. Shout out, Sam. You're a real one for this. This Jackie Aina palette is the bomb. Would highly recommend, but I don't need to highly recommend anything because this thing probably already sold out. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit, and I will see you next time.